So what is up guys, welcome to my channel TechTwisterHD, and this is your host Aaqib here. Today I'll be doing the review on the best budget Bluetooth earphones, which is the Redmi Airdots, which is one of the best selling Bluetooth earphones in the market right now. So when you look at the box, you will find the specifications of the Redmi Airdots in Chinese. So when you open it, you will get another box inside it. You just slide it out, and then you'll be able to find the Redmi Airdots inside the case. So this is gonna be the Redmi Airdots. It is covered with a plastic kind of thingy. So when you look under the box, you'll be able to find the instruction manual, which is gonna be in Chinese. And then when you see on the top, you'll be able to find some extra earbuds which comes with this. So now let's go more deeper with the Airdots itself. So here we have the case itself. So this is black in color, and on the top we have the Redmi logo, and on the side you have the micro USB charger, and on the bottom you have some specifications of the Airdots. So when you open it, you will be able to find the left and the right Airdots. And when you take it out, it will automatically turn into pairing mode. As you can see, the white light is blinking, so it is being paired. So let's take a closer look onto the case. Inside the case we have the charging part of the Airdots, and the case is so neat, and it's small, and it's easy to insert the Airdots because it's a magnet. So you just put it in and it gets snapped so easily like that, and automatically it starts to charge. So when you see the red light on it, you know that it is in charging mode. And now let's see how to connect this to your smartphone. Here I have a small setup ready to demonstrate how to connect it. So all you have to do is just go onto your phone and turn on Bluetooth. Then you have to take the case, open it and lift up the Airdots. You will be seeing some white light blinking, and it will show that Redmi Airdots right. So you just click on it and it gets connected automatically, so quick. And to wind up things, that's gonna be all about the review on the new Redmi Airdots. Hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure you subscribe.